King Arthur's Tools Premium Carving Set. Carving set includes everything you need for sanding, debarking, deburring, blending, finishing, and polishing. Use these accessories to cut or sand in any direction, with or against the grain, straight, round, convex, concave, and contoured surfaces. They can be used on wood, plastic, rubber, bone, fiberglass, and other soft non-ferrous materials.
One 21-inch 1.6 amp variable speed parallel arm scroll saw with extra large dual bevel steel table. Take on woods up to 2 inches thick with an aggressive 3/4 inch stroke. Adjust the speed anywhere from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute with the simple turn of a knob. The parallel arm drive, coupled with the steel construction, minimizes noise and vibration, while the spacious 25 5/8 by 16-inch steel table bevels up to 45 degrees to the left or 30 degrees to the right for angled cuts. The adjustable air pump clears sawdust from your work area to give you a clear line of vision. This, combined with the 1.5-inch dust port, keeps your work area clean so you can focus on your woodworking. Blade changes are completely tool-free, so there's no need to fret. The dual side panels flip open for easy access to the bottom blade holder, making it quicker than ever to swap out pinless or spiral blades. The upper arm easily lifts out of the way and locks in place, taking the hassle out of making inside cuts.
Makita 18V LXD Lithium-ion Brushless Cordless Detail Belt Sander. Detail Belt Sander delivers corded performance with cordless convenience. The compact design and 160-degree pivoting arm can reach tight spaces and is easier to store. Detail Belt Sander is engineered for detail work in wood and steel applications, including fine carpentry and furniture making, welding, ornamental metal structures, automotive, and more.
The Bosch 10-inch worksite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand delivers both professional rip capacity and outstanding portability for a tool that can get the job done wherever it is. The powerful 15-amp saw delivers 4.0 max HP for outstanding productivity. It also incorporates soft start circuitry for smooth but quick ramp up to the operating speed. It includes constant response circuitry to help maintain speed under load, restart protection to avoid accidental startup, and overload protection. The square lock rip fence is engineered for maximum trueness and great ease of use. It includes an enhanced auxiliary fence for narrow workpieces. The lighter gravity rise wheeled stand has 8-inch treaded rubber composite tires and a single action design for easy setup and transport. It is job site ready with heavy-duty construction. The Smart Guard system features a 3-position adjustable riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, and non-obstructed view barrier guard assembly. The table saw provides a 30-inch by 22.5-inch tabletop with a 30-inch rip capacity for ripping 4 feet wide sheets goods in half. 10-piece professional router bit set is an all-purpose set for the professional woodworker. It has a great variety of the most popular carbide-tipped bits in an elegant storage case. High-quality micrograin carbide tips that are precision ground provide superior wear resistance and sharp edges for the best finish.
Bora 4-piece parallel clamp set. The Bora tool parallel clamp delivers exceptional clamping pressure and performance with an easy-to-use design. The 3.5-inch padded jaws slide up and down with a simple lift of the handle, and they automatically become parallel as you tighten them on your project. Precision clamping has never been so easy. This wood plug cutters set has 4 standard plug cutters and 4 4-tooth chamfered cutters. The standard plug cutter bits are longer than 4-tooth chamfer cutters, but 4-tooth chamfer cutters are sharper than standard plug cutters.
Remember when you had a well-balanced and lightweight circular saw? Sink your teeth into a variety of woodworking projects with the WEN20V Max cordless circular saw. Attack boards up to 2.2 inches thick at 90 degrees, or bevel from 0 to 45 degrees to make angled cuts in boards up to 1.6 inches thick. The blade guard automatically retracts during operation for maximum safety between cuts, while the adjustable depth stop helps users execute the perfect plunge cut. The compact sidewinder design weighs in at a mere 6.5 pounds, making both storage and transportation easier than ever. The included 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery delivers consistently powerful performance at any level of charge, features an onboard LED charge gauge, and is cross-compatible with the entire WEN20V Max lithium-ion cordless power tool line.
Introducing the Bosch GAM 270 MFL digital angle finder and inclinometer. It's one of the most versatile tools a carpenter, installer, general contractor, or roofer can have. It's really 5 tools in one: an angle finder, inclinometer, compound cut calculator, miter cut calculator, and level. Dual illuminated displays feature separate readouts for the inclinometer and miter functions, and it automatically rotates for better readability. Use it with a miter saw to measure angles for roof joints and stairways, crown molding, and trim work. Digital accuracy means you'll get measurements within 0.1 degrees for an extensive range of angles from 0 to 270 degrees. The digital inclinometer allows you to level and plumb installations or measure ADA ramps. And the integrated laser allows you to transfer inclinations up to 100 feet. You'll make fast saw angle adjustments and repeated measurements. The hold function saves increments, and the mechanical lock lets you transfer angles simply. This tool's robust housing meets IP54 protection. Add in a protective carrying case and a leg extension, and you're ready to go.
The Alway Tools Soft Grip Contour Scraper set features 6 interchangeable, stainless steel blades for work on a variety of flat and curved surfaces. This tool has an onboard file for sharpening the blades and includes a convenient blade storage case. The soft grip handle is ergonomically curved for comfort. Includes 6 blades for contour scraping and painting applications, 1 blade for concave and narrow reveals, 1 blade for small flat and small concave molding, 1 blade for medium and large rods, dowels, and convex moldings and balusters. 1 blade for flat work and large concave moldings, crown moldings, and chair rails. 1 blade for sharp indented moldings and concave moldings, pilasters, and mantles. And 1 blade for round moldings, wood curtain rods, door, and window casings.